Welcome to Mundia's Academy. Today we are going to look at some English language, some English words we use. Most time we use them wrongly, right? Um, there are like a lot of mistakes we make, right? So this is just one of them, right? So I have stay and live, right? So there's a difference between stay and live, right? They are not the same, right? So if you are living in a place, right? Let's say today I visit San Diego, right? And I'm currently staying in the ocean, like sorry, I'm currently staying in Ocean Park, right? Ocean Park Inn, right? So if I'm staying here temporarily, right, because of what I'm here to do, so if somebody asks me, let's say like Francis, for instance, asks me, "Oh, Modias, where are you? Where are you staying?" Right? So I'm not gonna tell Francis that I'm living in Ocean Park Inn, right? In San Diego. So what I'm going to tell you, oh, I'm staying in Ocean Park Inn because that's where I'm staying temporarily because it's not my, like, I don't live there, right? So I'm just there temporarily, right? So I'm lodging there, right? So, and, but when it comes to live is a place you live, like your house, like your rented apartment, whatsoever, like something like that, right? So you live there for a long time, right? So, for example, I live in 153, right? I live in 153 Nikola, right? Nikola Tesla. I live in 153 Nikola Tesla Avenue, right? If I live in 153 Nikola Tesla Avenue, right? So this is a place I live permanently, right? If somebody asks me, "Oh, where do you live?" I say, "I live in 153 Nikola Tesla Avenue, right? New York," right? So that's what I'm going to tell you because I live there. But you cannot say where do you stay because you can ask me where I stay. That's like if I'm visiting a place, right? Because if I visit a place, I need a hotel to live, or probably I'm living with somebody, right? I can tell like if I'm living in 153 Nikola Tesla Avenue, like I'm living with a friend, I can also say I'm living here because it's not my place. I can say I'm staying here. But it's not my place. It's not a place I stay. I live temporary. I live temporary. I live here permanently. It's just for temporary purpose, right? So in this case, when you are living a place short term, right? Short term, probably like a few days whatsoever, few weeks whatsoever, a month, you can say I stay this place, right? So but if you are there, is a place you live, like you stay, like you've been there for long, like it's a permanent place, you say what, I live this place, right? So these are two different things because people kind of like interchange it, like they use it kind of like interchangeably, but that's not how to use it, right? So there's a difference between what stay and live. Though stay is for a long time, sorry, stay is for a temporary time, so live is for a long time, right? So we just know this, right? So this is just my little kind of like my little talking. So let me know what you think about this, and there are more that I observe people using. If you want, I can do them, right? So let me know if you like it, and let me see what you have at the comment section, and share, like, and comment. Have a great day. Thank you.